Are you getting boring? You want to do crispy snack like this with boozy? Nice combination and nice munching and crispy too. Let's check the recipe. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gulu's in the kitchen. Today now I am making one of the craziest recipe with the help of besan. With the besan, the recipe is gatta masala. Basically, it's made by curries, rotis, and lots of different methods. Today now I am making totally different with the besan gatta masala fry. It's a dry item. You can eat like a snack also. Let's check the recipe how I am making. Besan 250 grams, oil, cumin seeds, crush, chili powder 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, sesame seeds 2 tablespoons, and curry leaves fresh. This is the recipe for crispy gatta masala. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First add the cumin crushed, then besan, add little bit water, next add the salt, pinch, and mix it. Mix like a dough, not batter, and again add little bit slowly water, and again mix it. And slowly, finally the dough is ready, and add little bit of oil and knead it for 1 minute. The besan dough is ready to make gatola. Take small rounds, make the round balls, and again same method. See how I am doing, slowly without any breaks. cut into 1 inch. Cut into small pieces like this, and 1 inch, and ready for deep fry. Okay, now gattola is ready. Keep it in a plate. Slowly, without stickiness. Deep fry it. Next, take the pan and fill it with oil. Now the oil is heated. Then add gattola mixture. Slowly add one by one because it sticks easily. And make it very crisp. Slowly. With only besan and jeera and little bit of salt, I am adding the gattola and deep fry. You can see it's like mini small crispy balls. Finally, make the crispy like this and remove from oil. Then make a masala. Next, add oil, curry leaves, next add the gattola fry, and chili powder 2 tablespoons, salt as per taste. I am adding pinch. Next add the sesame seeds like garnish on top and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes, then remove it. Masala gatola is ready and taken to the serving plate. Gatola with masala is ready. It's very crispy and make it with only besan and jeera and little bit of water. Fry it and add masalas. What masalas you like? I'm adding the simple masalas. Nice taste. And thanks for watching.